Hi, this is Mrs. GM. I wanted to show you how you can use Destiny Quest to narrow down the books to your reading level. So first off, please go to Academia Cotopaxi webpage, which you can see in front of you. And then you want to go to the Library Media Center. So click on that. Next, after Library Media Center, you're going to go to LMC Catalog right here. And that's going to take you to our school's catalog. And there's an in-between page where we'll have to click on Academia Cotopaxi. It's just kind of an extra step. There it is. So click on Academia Cotopaxi. And next you're going to see just a generic catalog, but we're going to go to Destiny Quest. So over here on the left side, click on Destiny Quest. And you'll see a much more interactive, fun, colorful web page. After we click on that and after it comes up, we're going to log in. So up at the top of the screen, you're going to see the login. And this is where you will put in your Google account that you use in Miss Maria Elena's class. So I'll put mine, and I'm going to put in my password, and then click login. And after the computer verifies that that is definitely an account, this will be my account, and you can see right here, I'll double check, it says Jennifer Gibson-Millis. So I need to go next to the advanced search right up at the top. I need to do an advanced search because I'm going to narrow down to two different limiters. So down here at the bottom, limit my search to, and the first thing I want to limit to is the Lexile. The Lexile is a system that helps us determine where we are with our reading and also helps us gauge what a book's Lexile level is. So that way we can connect our reading level with a book that's just right for us. So I'm going to put in, let's pretend mine is 550, and then I'm going to hit my tab button and put in 675 for the other part of my Lexile range. You can get your Lexile from your checkout card, from your teacher, or from me. I will have that. And throughout the year, you'll take your map test and get a different Lexile level also. So now we have 35,000 books that are narrowed down to our Lexile, but we only want the fiction books in the junior fiction section. So we have to click on the plus, and then we see that there's another option to choose, and we're going to choose call number this time. We want to go to the books that are in the junior fiction. So the beginning of that call number is JF, but we want them to be in capitals. I'm going to hit my caps lock button, type in JF. I need to put a space here, and then I need the beginning of the JF section, which would be the first three letters of the first author, and that would possibly be AAA. Then I want to hit tab again to go to the other box, and this time JF again. Don't forget the space. And now I need the end of the alphabet, which would be ZZZ. So I've got my Lexile range, and I also have the junior fiction section. So now I'm going to go up here and press go because I want to see what books in our catalog would fit those two different limiters. So the computer's thinking, and it's thinking, and now I see that there are 363 books that would fit those two criteria. First I want to look and see the books that are in, because if I choose an out book, when I come to the library, I would not be able to choose that book. So I'm going to actually look at this book called Liar and Spy. I'm going to click on it because I want to get special information to see if it would be a book I would want to read. So looking at the record for this book, I notice, of course, there's the title, there's the author, here's the book cover. It definitely says the book is in. And one thing I would focus on is this summary right here. By reading this, it gives me an idea if it's a book that I might be interested in. If it sounds interesting, then I might go and see more information by looking at the reviews, looking at awards, and that would help me decide if it's a book that I might like. If it is a book I want, then I would make sure that I wrote down Liar and Spy and write the complete call number so that when I come to the library, I could check out that book. If this book was out, if it was red right here and said out, I could also choose hold it, and that way the next time the book was turned in, and if I was next in line to get the book, then I could read the book. I have read this book, so I would go to the shelf, choose Have Read, and if I wanted to recommend it to a friend, I could click here, choose my friend amongst my friends, and recommend it to them. After reading the book, if I enjoyed it, I might want to look and see other books that are similar to it that I could check out from the library. So this is how you can use Destiny Quest to help you narrow down all the books in our library to the ones that will help you become a better reader. I hope you enjoyed this and also will find it helpful. Please feel free to come by and see me if you need more help. Thank you.